bull run. And I think I spoke about this about two weeks ago. However, let's come back to this and conclude. I'm gonna take these profits, most likely 80% of the market. I'm gonna go out here, also, of course, depending on the price action. And since we talked a lot about price action, and let's make the chart a little bit clearer. Actually, I don't want to delete this one. I want to delete this one and this one because this is the most important right now. Look at Ichimoku for it. So bullish, full bullish on this one. So Ichimoku on weekly, what does it say? It says that we have all the conditions in order for us to be bullish on it. If you didn't buy it around 3.5, I think on the next pullback you can take a stab at it. So what do we have? We have the price above the Kumo. Yes. Is the Kumo thick and green? On weekly, it's very hard to be thick, but it's green already, and most likely it's gonna go thick. Is the conversion line, so Tenkan above the Kijun and above the Kumo? Yes, they are. And is the lagging span above the Kumo plus far from the price? Extremely far from the price, so we like this quite a lot. How does it look on daily? All the conditions are being met also on daily, right? So let's remove the drawings for you shifters to see. I think also this is quite bullish. Let's see also high BTC. How does it look on daily? There you go. So even versus Bitcoin, high looks very nice. No, I wanted to see it on weekly. Here, what this tells us, it tells us that we might choose some volatility, okay? But it also tells us that the downtrend ended here. So the downtrend ended here. This is where the buyers, this is where the sellers ran out of juice. They finished. We had the bullish TK crossover. We can see that the trend, right? So the Kumo, this is the power of the trend. The Kumo from very thick and very red. Now it just very tiny around here, and most likely in the upcoming weeks this is gonna flip to green. However, right now on weekly, yes, you can say, well, but this is versus Bitcoin. Keep in mind this. You can say, okay, so I'm just gonna wait, and I think that this is gonna be the full alt season towards, exactly like I was saying, August towards September, right? So, okay, you don't want to buy it now, you will buy it when the market is going to be a little bit higher, which I still think is going to be the case. So is no problem with this. By the way, shifters, I take a conscious decision, and I took a conscious decision in the last few weeks. Okay, I didn't buy anything else on spot since the last one, which was, I think it was Dodge, and I'm underwater with that one. But this kind of setups, I'm not going to miss out because I like them and I understand that I'm going to choose some volatility, like it happened here, or like it happened, like I closed that trade on true on minus. It happens. It happens. And I'm going to close some trades on minus, but I'm not going to over trade on futures because I don't think this is a futures market, at least not for my style. But I will buy some of these ones. Even I know it sounds stupid and maybe for some people, or it sounds crazy. Oh, you're going to buy this here. Yeah, well, most likely I will buy it. I will see. But I like this trade. I liked it since it was 3.5. I wish I would have, I wish I would hold it here, but when we dropped here on daily and we continued, I closed and I took the hit here. I don't remember how much it was because my entry, so I took around 9% minus on that position. And after that, when we bounced back about 3.5, I reopened it again, and I'm fine with what's happening right now, even if we're going to go lower. The only bad thing, and most likely I'm going to cut that trade again, is if we're going to go under 3.5 and we're going to lose all of this, because most likely that would be a confirmed rising wedge, a change of structure, change of market behavior, and we can tap other areas, and I want to be out of that. If not, then I'm following what's happening right here. Even if we do something like this, we can go higher. But until now, all the perspectives are looking very, very nice. And we just watched also Ichimoku. We were watching also, like, look, we have 3 weekly green candles. I think that pullbacks, if it's going to be around 4 areas, so 3.94, even if it's going to be towards 3.5 and we bounce, I think pullbacks are for buying for this one. It was very strong in the last few weeks when Bitcoin was bleeding and most of the altcoins were bleeding. It's strong also versus Bitcoin. So for me, in my book, it makes. Hello, Petro. Inverted Bart. You know what, man? You're funny. Oh, how should I do this? What's the? I don't think. I don't think we have Bart as an indicator. Do we have it? That would be funny. Bart pattern. I can't believe this. Come on, man. Where is it? Why is it not loading? Ah, what is It should have been, but they cannot find it. What Petro means? What seems? Let me see if I can do it. I'll do it for you, Petro. Like, yeah. So this is what he means, and you copy the image, and you go here. Can I rotate this? I don't know. I'll do something else even without rotating. I'll rotate the chart, and I'll put Bart here just for you shifters to understand what Petro means. Trading, we had some cool layouts. Look at this. You're not, I don't think you're far from I don't think that you're far from the truth. This can be an inverted Bart, actually. I know it's stupid, and I know it's something hilarious, but a lot of times, this topping pattern was very similar to that. And now when I cleared the chart, it's even more clear for me, Christian, and also to everybody else. It's even more clear for me that I don't know if this is gonna be cup and handle, but maybe this is just already a rounding bottom. So maybe we don't need to pull back to have the cup and handle. Maybe this is already a rounding bottom, and that's why I want to see it above this area, to be above the neckline, and we can have some type of move to fill this imbalance. So maybe like exactly like I said. Let's go back to it.